All India limited recruitment for different vacancies for grade C, grade B, grade A positions, and for grade A, grade B there is essential criteria is experience is needed. For grade C, no need of any experience, freshers can apply. So for grade A, a superintending engineer, one vacancy, the essential criteria, that is eligibility, educational qualifications, is bachelor degree with 3 years of experience with 65% marks. Upper age limit is 37 years. For superintending medical officer in radiology, you should have a degree in MD degree, that is a PG degree in radio diagnostics, and upper age limit is 37 years. And for superintending engineer environment, the essential criteria is bachelor degree with 3 years of experience is required. For superintending medical officer, orthopedic surgeon, one vacancy, and you need to have essential criteria is MS in orthopedic, and the upper age limit is 40 years. For the group B, senior medical officer, number of posts are 4, upper age limit is 32 years, and essential criteria MBBS with 2 years of experience. And senior security officer, graduate in any discipline, and with 2 years of experience is required. 32 years is the upper age limit, and there is only one vacancy. For senior electrical, a senior officer, that too electrical, there are 6 vacancies, unreserved 3, OBC 2 vacancies, SC category 1 vacancy. The upper age limit for unreserved is 27 years, for OBC category 30 years, and for SC category 32 years. This is the grade pay, 60,000 to 1,80,000. The age criteria is this much, 27, 30 and 32 for different categories, and the essential qualification is just a bachelor degree is required in any of the streams, that is electrical engineering with 65% marks, excluding electrical and electronics engineering, electrical and communication engineering, electrical and instrumentation engineering. So you should have a bachelor degree of minimum 4 years during a duration in electrical engineering with 65% marks. For senior officer electronics and communication, there are 2 vacancies, unreserved 1, EWS 1. This is a grade pay, 60,000 to 1,80,000. 27 years is the upper age criteria for unreserved and EWS, because the vacancies are for unreserved and EWS. The bachelor degree in electronics and communications or telecommunication engineering with 65% marks. A senior officer land legal, there are 2 vacancies, so unreserved 27 vacancies, OBC unreserved 27 years, and for OBC 30 years. The eligibility criteria is bachelor degree in law, that is LLB with 60% marks. So this is the pay scale, 60,000 to 1,80,000 for senior officer legal, that is in land. So LLB candidates can also opt for these vacancies. For the post of senior officer mechanical, the eligibility criteria is a bachelor degree, 65% marks, and there are 10 vacancies, unreserved 4, OBC 3, EWS 1, SC ST 1 vacancies put together for 60,000 to 1,80,000. The upper age limit for unreserved EWS is 27, and for OBC is 30 years, and for SC ST is 32 years. So those who have mechanical engineering degree can opt for this, can apply for this. And for senior officer geophysics, there is only one vacancy, and the PG in geophysics or applied geophysics with 2 years of minimum. This is the PG degree is required to apply for the post of senior officer in geophysics. This is for PWD, physically handicapped. Senior officer instrumentation, the essential criteria is bachelor degree in 4 years, bachelor degree in any of the streams, that is instrumentation engineering. So apply for the post of senior officer instrumentation. There are 2 vacancies. You need to have bachelor degree in only instrumentation, not any other streams. The unreserved 2 vacancies, upper age limit is 27 years. The grade pay is 60,000 to 1,80,000. So this is regarding the senior officer vacancies. And for the post of confidential secretary, only one post, that to PWD backlog post. The essential criteria is a graduate with 1 or 2 years of diploma in secretarial practice or modern office management secretarial practice, or executive assistant diploma or equivalent knowledge computer applications. Having 2 years of post qualification experience is required. So in order to apply for this post, this is also for PWD. So the age criteria is 40 years, 43 years and 45 years for different categories. So you need to have some experience to apply for the post of confidential secretary. So this is regarding the education qualifications and what are the number of vacancies. So this is regarding the experience required for the post of grade A. And now we'll see what are the criteria for different categories. For general OBC, 500 plus GST, that is tax. And for SC, ST, PWD, EWS, ex-serviceman, there is no fees. So this is regarding the criteria of fees. And now the selection procedure for different vacancies is computer based test followed by group discussion and followed by personal interview. And for the post of group B, that is grade B, the phase 1 will be of computer based test of 100 marks, which will be of 85% weightage, and 50% is a minimum qualification marks for general, OBC and EWS, and 40% of marks for SC, SC candidates. And phase 2 will be of group discussion, which will be of 30%, weightage just 5%, and personal interview followed by interview, that is followed by group discussion is personal interview. And this is regarding the eligibility criteria. And last date to apply for this post is based on, that is last date to apply is 10th of October. So application has already started. You can just click the link in the description so that you will have an advantage of just going through the website via direct link. Thank you. Have a great day.